Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Jimmy1.
And I am Jimmy2, and Hot Logic has done it again with an awesome new innovative product, the Hot Logic 4.
They're always pushing the lines on this stuff. This one here's no exception. It's pretty awesome. They do make a Hot Logic 8, but we'll talk a little bit about that further in here. But
we saw this on their social media that they were releasing this, and again, immediately caught my attention. So I reached out to Hot Logic, and they were willing to send us one of their products to make a video for you guys, give you a rundown of the product, some of the cool features, and then they're letting us donate it to a nonprofit organization, which we're really excited about.
yeah, it'd be cool.
It'll go to use.
We're gonna try to get a couple videos out of this. We're thinking about doing a video for first responders, making a meal for them out with this thing, show them how it works. And then he works at the nonprofit, so he's gonna donate it to them.
Yeah, so stay tuned for that. We're hoping COVID possibly dies down a little bit, because trying to create a meal or something for first responders is a little tricky right now because of all these rules and regulations. So we're hoping to do it in the near future. Fingers crossed.
So with that being said, let's get into it. We'll show you a little more about the size of it, what you can fit in and stuff like that. It's pretty awesome. All right, everybody, let's give you a little more information on this, give you the sizes so you know what kind of containers and size containers to put in here. We'll do some measurements first.
Okay, so we are about 11 3/4 wide, so it's good. Depth is a little shy of 11.5.
This will be the information you need to fit this on your counter or something.
Yeah, and always make sure when you're placing this on a counter, you're leaving a little bit of space from the wall. It does have two little vents here I see in the back. You don't want to just slam it into a wall.
Kind of like you would your microwave. You keep a little gap.
Yeah, because this can technically almost replace a microwave.
Yeah, it uses less power.
Yeah, save the environment. And it's just a little shy of 15 inches tall.
So that's a relatively small factor. Like we said, they do have a Hot Logic 8, which is like, they're like side by side, two of them, probably twice as wide as this, so which is for a bigger office setting or something.
And then just the build of it itself, it's very good. It's well built, metal plates. What was it, plexi on the front?
Plexiglass door, stainless steel top. It's really nice.
Yeah, it's a very good color theme for a kitchen too.
Yeah, and we measured the heat plates inside. It's, what was it, 7.5 by 8.5?
Yeah, which we'll show you guys in a minute. We'll open it up and show you some of the size containers that fit in there. So if you're looking to purchase a few, you know exactly what you're getting.
So one of the containers you can put in there, it does say you can put the plastic containers like these kind. Just right here, they got the different, just something like that. Put those in there and it'll heat it up.
Yeah, we'll give you a close-up on all these containers too, but then we have a Pyrex storage with 6-cup, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, there's a 6-cup one there.
The size we normally use in the Hot Logics. It's just a 6-cup Pyrex glass container. You don't have to get Pyrex. There's different brands you can use. And with the Hot Logic, you can use plastic, as he was saying, or glass. Or if you don't even want to use that, if you are really into freezer meals, if it's in a box, you can just throw the box right in there.
Yeah, exactly. Like the Healthy Choice meals or some of those kind. You just throw them right on the shelf. It's cool because you come into work, you can just throw your meal in there in the morning. By lunch, it's already heated up, ready to go. No waiting in line at the microwave. All right, guys, this is a little closer view of the inside. The 4 shelves are always on standby, and you can tell by the red that fades in and out. It's a slow fade. If you're seeing it flicker fast, it's just the frame rate differences here. But they're all red. When you put a meal on it, it should turn blue. So let's try that in one of these.
Yeah, it might take a minute or so.
Yeah, it might take a minute for it to recognize it, but we'll put one on there like that, and they'll, yeah, you can see they're still flickering, but it should realize that it's on there and turn. But you can put, like you said, your plastic ones on there. They all fit. And you can get your other ones and just fill up all the shelves. Each person comes in, small office setting or something, to be great. See, it just turned blue. Perfect. Lets us know there's a meal on there. It's ready, and it's starting to cook. This one might not, because we don't have no weight in that. It's really light.
Yeah.
We might not realize there's anything in there. I'm not even sure. Is it by weight?
I'm still not 100% sure.
I think it has to know weight. It's something's on it some way, but there's nothing, no weight in that one. It's just an empty container. But You can see it turns blue.
How it's designed makes me think it's weight because it's mounted in the back and doesn't have any really forward supports. So I could see it being like a little bit of weight tips it downwards.
Well, we can contact them. They got pretty good customer service there.
Oh, yes, some of the best customer service. If you guys have any questions about a Hot Logic, I mean, you can go to their site directly, or if you want to, go to their Facebook page. They are really good about answering questions, giving recipes. It's a great community, so.
Yeah, see, this one's not turning blue, so no weight. It's not recognizing that, but it will when you put your meal in there.
Yeah, so with the glass Pyrex, you'll just let that cook for a while, and then the light will turn from blue to red when your food's ready.
Yeah, the heating plate is 8.5 inches wide and 7.5 inches deep. So you can see this is a 6-cup Pyrex. You can put it back in there more, so you can get a more squared Pyrex and get a little more space if you wanted.
Or if you wanted to change the orientation of that, you could technically pull it out, put it sideways.
You technically could.
That might make it easier for you to grab it out.
It's still on there flat because this is curved. It's totally on it. So, and the door still closes nice.
Yep.
So it's clear. So
that might be good for grabbing it with ease.
Yeah, a variety of ways. So it works pretty nice.
A general inquiry that I had was the temperature that the plates get up to. I wanted to know the standby temperature to see if you reached your hand on there, if you'd burn yourself.
Let's check the standby temps. As they sit here, you got 133 right there. 111, 112 there. 130 up there, but heat does rise, so it'll vary a little. And let's pull this one out and get what temp this one is now. See, we're at 100 and 188, 190, somewhere around there. It's still climbing.
Fahrenheit, just so you guys
Fahrenheit,
know.
yeah. So standby on these small ones between 115 and 120. So what is that, 46 to about 49 degrees Celsius?
Yeah. So it's still warm on the standby, but this way, when you put your food on there and it switches to the color of blue, you know it's not going to take an additional like 10, 15 minutes to get up to temperature as a slow rise. Yeah.
As you can see on the standby, you can put your hand on there.
Disclaimer, don't do it if it's blue.
Yeah.
I don't want you guys to burn yourself.
Caution, it could be hot. I mean, I want to have a baby do it, like we said, but your hand, it's good. Don't do it on the blue ones, for sure.
That'll cook you.
I mean, it's only 2.5 amps, which is roughly 300 watts.
Yeah, so that runs in the truck on the power inverter.
You can run in a power inverter. You can run in your RV. It don't take much power, way less than a microwave.
Oh, yes.
So it's pretty awesome. There you have it, everybody. Another awesome product from Hot Logic. I mean, I could see so many uses with this thing. If you got a busy family and you need to have meals hot and ready for when the kids come home from practice, or you have some leftovers heating up in here or something, this thing would be awesome.
Oh, especially if you're interested in prepping like your meals and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you cook them up a day before or a day or two before, put them in the fridge. All you have to do is snag one out, just load them in here.
Yeah, it'll help you eat healthier instead of eating out all the time. And again, these are awesome for the office too. If you got a small break room or something, you want to put these in there.
So inquire with HR, your boss, be like, we have to get one of these. And if you do, or you buy any Hot Logic product or any of their products, they have Hot Logic minis. They have cool little picnic, I call them picnic baskets, because you can hold other stuff into it. And family size. Yep, family size ones. Be sure to use our promo code Jimmy2Tech at checkout. Save yourself a little bit of money, and it also helps our channel, which we appreciate greatly.
That, yeah.
If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and make sure you hit the little bell notification so you guys can see any videos that we put up. We want you guys to see them because they're amazing. A little bit of everything.
Yeah, and remember to follow us on our socials. That way you get a sneak peek of what we're working on. So you'll see when what we're going to be on our next videos.
So we want to make one more video out of this. So I hope you guys stay posted. And, we're really excited to donate this to a nonprofit.
Yeah, we'll do a couple more tests with it. So you guys, if you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. Maybe we could try that with this and see if that works for you.
And if you haven't, or you're interested in Hot Logic, check out their Facebook page. I mean, they have great customer service. The whole community is great. You can get recipes. They'll answer questions. If you have a problem with your Hot Logic, this company is great about getting that problem fixed at no cost to you. So thumbs up for Hot Logic. Don't worry, we're not sponsored. They just,
It is a good product. I mean, we stand,
we vouch for it.
Yeah, and like you said with the recipes, you'd be surprised the recipes on it.
So many.
They're awesome.
And I think that pretty much sums it up.
Yeah, so stay tuned for our next video on when we put this thing to use. And possibly we can do the giveaway in the same video maybe.
Yeah, I think we can give away a Hot Logic.
Yeah, we could do something like that. So follow our other video. That giveaway
Yeah, we'll tag it. Yeah, we'll throw it somewhere. I feel it's a good time to give.
Yeah,
something away.
that giveaway's still alive. I mean, we're giving away a Hot Logic Mini in that video. So go check that out. All you gotta do is comment, subscribe, and then you can be entered to win it. We're almost there.
All right. So
until next time, try something new.
do a little bit of everything.